Alright everybody, hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Josh and today I'm going to teach you how to play the song Chemtrails Over the Country Club by Lana Del Rey. This is a really easy song to learn as there's only 3 chords, so let me show you right away what we are going to learn today. And that's it. That loop gets repeated through the entire song. Alright, before I teach you how to play that, remember to give this video a like if you're enjoying it, and to subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future, and leave a comment down below of what other songs you want to see a tutorial for. Alright, so let's get into this. We're going to start here with our C chord, and it's going to be C octaves in the left hand, E, G, and C in the right hand. And then we're going to just move up to our next major chord, a D chord, D's in the left hand, F sharp, A, and D in the right hand. And then the left hand moves up again to E's now, and then we have G, B, and E in the right hand. That's an E minor chord. And then we're going to go back down to our D chord that we had before. So those are the chords that are going to be repeated, but let me show you the rhythm that's going to be played now. So this first chord, C major, is going to get 2 beats, and on the first beat we're going to play all the notes, and then on the second beat we're just going to repeat the right hand. So 1, 2, and then we're going to repeat that as well for the D chord. 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the E minor chord we're actually going to play this one for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just go back to the D chord for a single beat on D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, that's pretty much just going to be the whole song, so I hope you enjoyed learning that one. Hi friends, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was, of course, Chemtrails Over the Country Club by Lana Del Rey. If you enjoyed that video, remember to give it a like and leave a comment down below of what other songs you want to hear. Also remember to subscribe if you haven't yet and you want to see more videos like it. Alright, that's it for today. Have a great day.